I didn't hit record. That's the thing. I did not hit record. That's the most annoying part. That's cool. That's fine. Let's go ahead and find this screen share and get to wherever we need to be at. Right here. USDJPY was in a trade. USDY. Think price is going to go up. Two candle theory. Marked out my zone. Cool. Thought everything was going fine. Here's where it works out. Made a plan. Looked down here on the 15 minutes and looked, saw some rejection. I'm like, okay, maybe price will leave now. So I went in half position. I'm like, cool. Price could come back down here and I'll go ahead and get in on a full position. Made that plan. I'd actually drawn it out way back at what, 11 something when I was actually thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Lo and behold, sure, cool, annoying, whatever. So what was my plan? I had it all drawn out. It was nice and pretty. This was in a downtrend coming into this level. And I specifically drew out, I was like, okay, what I want to see is some sort of break of this, whether it comes down here and respects this level here and then starts creating uptrend structure, then I'll go ahead and get into my second position, or whether or not it does some sort of head and shoulders, which basically just breaks down here for a little while, pops right back up, and then respects this area and starts giving some uptrend structure. I was looking for that. Either one would have worked out for me. What happened? Well, this one happened. It broke out of this uptrend structure, created this higher low, and then started channeling up. This would have been a perfect opportunity. This is about 1226, not at about 20. This is 1226. Could have got in there in my second position, and this is where we'd be at right now. So come in for a 1-to-1. Where is that at? Right about there. Actually, I just want to be below this level here. So 1-to-1 would be right about there, and I'd be able to actually probably been closed out of this trade at that point in time. That's all it is, though. You just got to get into the charts. Start with a simple concept. Get into the charts. Start letting the chart be your experience, be your mentor, be your guide. You'll be able to see and learn so much faster if you're just in here. You can just, if you just want to go through and watch a bunch of YouTube videos, you can, but you're not actually going to be able to apply anything until you actually get into the chart. So who am I? My name's RobertMileage, part-time day trader. I have a full-time job. And I've just loved learning the process and applying the process and seeing how everything works out. Now, if you need some help with your journey, I would love to be able to work with you one-on-one, share some stuff, share some tips and tricks that I've learned along my way. But ultimately, I'm going to tell you the same thing. Turn off a lot of the Telegrams, turn off the Discords, the Slacks, all this other stuff. Pick one concept, get into the market, and start trading it. Once you get all that data, if you need help, interrogating that data to try to find out what's working and what you can optimize and things of that nature, I would love to help you with that. But really, it's gonna the hard part is getting into the markets and actually getting started. That's what you got to do. Get into the markets, get started. If this has helped you in any bit of way, go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know what it is that you tend to be struggling with in regards to trading, whether you have shiny syndrome, next shiny object syndrome, or whether or not you struggle with discipline, risk management, anything like that. Patience, fear, greed, it's all viable. We all struggle with it. There are some tips and tricks to get around it. Maybe I can help you with those. All right, you guys take it easy. Be blessed. See you next time.